Hello, and welcome to my channel, Product Market Picks. Are you looking to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank this festive period? You are in the right place. I've got 10 early Black Friday deals on Amazon that you do not want to miss. I'm talking air fryers, blenders, cookware sets, all at insane discounts. All the links are waiting for you in the description, but you have to check these deals fast before they sell out. Let's jump in. First, the Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. It has a premium ceramic coating and heats precisely for even results. List price, $119.99. Deal price, $89.94. At 25% off, you save $30.05. Rating, 4.8 stars from over 14,000 reviews. At number 2, the Ninja Professional Blender. With 1,000 watts of power, it crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease. List price, $109.99. Deal price, $69.99. At 36% off, you save $40. Rating, 4.6 stars from over 64,000 reviews. It's a #1 bestseller. Third, the Ninja Foodie Possible Cooker Pro. This is an 8-in-1 multi-cooker that can slow cook, steam, and its pot is oven safe. List price, $169.99. Deal price, $99.99. At 41% off, you save $70. Rating, 4.7 stars from nearly 5,000 reviews. Next, another Ninja Air Fryer. This 4-in-1 model is perfect for smaller kitchens, with a 5-quart capacity. List price, $129.99. Deal price, $79.99. At 38% off, you save $50. Rating, 4.7 stars from over 64,000 reviews. Number 5, the Tefal 14-piece non-stick cookware set. It's hard anodized and oven safe. List price, $239.99. Deal price, $119.99. At 50% off, you save $120. Rating, 4.7 stars from over 41,000 reviews. 6. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This is an XL model with a rotisserie and 17 presets. List price, $139.99. Deal price, $89.99. At 36% off, you save $50. Rating, 4.3 stars from over 47,000 reviews. At 7, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. It's perfect for single-serve smoothies and is portable. List price, $69.99. Deal price, $54.99. At 21% off, you save $15. Rating, 4.6 stars from over 55,000 reviews. 8. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. This powerful blender has a 1,400 watt base and includes a food processor. List price, $219.99. Deal price, $149.99. At 32% off, you save $70. Rating, 4.7 stars from over 80,000 reviews. Number 9, the KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack. It's rust-resistant and has a removable flatware caddy. List price, $97.99. Deal price, $79.99. At 18% off, you save $18. Rating, 4.5 stars from nearly 24,000 reviews. Finally, this cold press juicer. It has a wide 5.5-inch chute and is a slow masticating juicer. List price, $159.99. Deal price, $119.99. At 25% off, you save $40. Rating, 4.7 stars. And now, here are 2 bonus deals for you. First, the Cosori Pressure Cooker. It's a 9-in-1 multi-cooker with a non-stick ceramic pot. List price, $89.99. Deal price, $80.96. At 10% off, you save $9.03. Rating, 4.8 stars from over 5,800 reviews. And second, the Cosori 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This is a massive 26-quart countertop oven that can do it all. List price, $159.99. Deal price, $139.97. At 13% off, you save $20.02. Rating, 4.3 stars from over 9,700 reviews. And that's the 10 Amazon amazing deals, plus 2 bonuses, for your kitchen. Remember, these are limited time offers, so check all the links in the description below before these deals are gone. Thanks for watching.